Introducing Philips Hue, the ultimate choice for smart lighting enthusiasts and beginners alike. In this video, we'll dive into the key features that make Philips Hue a standout choice for illuminating your space. For those just starting out, the Philips Hue White Starter Kit is the most affordable solution, providing everything you need to kickstart your smart lighting journey. Looking to add a splash of color to your space? Meet the Philips Hue Play. It's your go-to choice for vibrant and dynamic lighting options. Enhance your experience with the Philips Hue Tap. This accessory provides a convenient way to control your lights, putting you in complete command of your ambience. Philips Hue offers a range of smart LED bulbs and accessories. These can be easily controlled through the smartphone app or compatible smart home platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. With Philips Hue, you have the power to customize your space's ambience. Choose from millions of colors to create the perfect lighting mood for any occasion. Experience a whole new level of entertainment with Hue Sync. Watch as your lights synchronize with movies, music, and games, immersing you in a visual feast beyond the screen. Take control of your energy consumption and add convenience to your daily routine. Set up automated routines and schedules based on time, motion, or sunrise, sunset. Enhance your security and convenience with geofencing. Let Philips Hue use your smartphone's location to trigger actions, like turning on lights when you arrive home or simulating your presence when you're away. Expand your creative possibilities with third-party integrations. Philips Hue plays well with a wide range of apps and platforms, allowing for even more imaginative lighting scenarios. Control your lights effortlessly with voice commands. Whether you prefer Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple Siri, Philips Hue has you covered. And don't forget Enomek, the app that helps you add any device to Apple HomeKit. Packed with guides, it's your ultimate companion for seamless integration. Rest easy knowing that Philips regularly releases software updates to improve functionality and security. Experience the future of lighting with Philips Hue. Illuminate your world, your way.
Thank you for watching Kodmy. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.